warm lobster rolls, a classic with a volume turned way up. I'm starting with a pound of cooked lobster. I'm cutting it 3/4-inch dice. And while I finish cutting this, I'll show you my foolproof method for cooking lobster. First, put 2 tablespoons of salt in a large stock pot of boiling water and immerse the lobsters. These weigh 2 pounds each and have been killed humanely by the seafood shop. The important thing is to cook them as soon as possible. Then bring the water to a boil, cover the pot, and cook the lobsters for 10 minutes. Next, insert an instant read thermometer in the underside of the tail, and when it registers 140 degrees, the lobsters are cooked. Use tongs to take them out to cool. Then, to get the meat out, run a big chef's knife along the underside of the tail of the lobster. Open it up with your hands and take the meat out. Next, remove the claws. Wrap the claws in a kitchen towel, hit them with a mallet to crack the shell, and take the claw meat out. Cooking lobster really isn't as daunting as it seems, and I find when the fishmonger cooks it, sometimes they overcook it, so I'd rather do it myself, especially when lobster is the main ingredient in the dish. Okay, so that's the lobster. I'm just going to show you the rolls. So I have hot dog rolls. They're top split, and what I did was I toasted them in butter, but 2 minutes on each side, and they're done. So now I've got a saute pan with 3 tablespoons of melted butter in it. I'm going to put all the lobster in. Remember, I'm not cooking the lobster, I'm just reheating it. This is gorgeous, perfectly cooked lobster. Half a cup of minced celery. I want it small dice. Salt and pepper. Wait to see how good these are. And just cook it for about 2 minutes, just until it's heated through. Okay, while that heats through, I'm just gonna chop up some dill and parsley, just a little bit. You don't want to overpower the lobster. So off the heat, I'm just gonna add a little parsley and dill. Okay, and the lemon juice from half a lemon, just to give it a little bright flavor. Okay, I've got the toasted rolls, warm lobster, 6 lobster rolls coming up. I'll put the rolls on a platter, cut side up, then divide the lobster mixture between the 6 of them. Trust me, once you've had a warm lobster roll, you're never going back to the old-fashioned kind. Some fresh herbs, a little squeeze of lemon. And I would say it's lunch somewhere in the world. Yum.